Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am here with a plan with me in my personal rings planner. So if you want to see how I plan for the week of January the 20th, which is my birthday week, through the 26th, keep watching. Alright, so before we begin, you know it's customary for me to welcome all of my first time viewers. If this is your first time, make sure you stop what you're doing, put a purple heart in the description box so that I know that you are new. And if you can't find it, just type, "Hey CheKesha, I am new." And as well, make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. All right, love. So this video was actually requested. One of my subscribers asked me to show how I plan in my personal rings planner. Now, I typically do use a little bit of deco, but I keep it very minimal. But since this is my birthday week, I decided to use these super cute stickers that came from Stickers by Rhonda. And this is actually her Happy Birthday Planner Girl kit. So what I'm going to do is show you how I plan using some of the sections in this planner. This is my EDC, which is my everyday carry. This is Missy. She is my personal assistant. She goes everywhere I go. So I have certain functional sections in here that I use in order to put together all of my planning for the week. So if you want to see how that all comes together, so I'm going to jump right into this because I don't want to hold you long with this video. But if you've seen my flip through of this planner, you kind of know what each section is for. So what I do is I pre-plan in advance, so I kind of know the things that I know that I need to write down in that week. And typically what I do is throughout the week that I'm in, I'll write down things like, okay, I know next week I gotta do this, next week I gotta do that. Because the type of inserts that I have, I don't have like a extra box to write things for the upcoming week. So I actually go to my list section, and I have these Cornell notes that came from Cloth and Paper, and I really like them because they are have a lot of different areas how you can write things. It's no format, you can do however you want, but typically what I do is write all of my daily stuff here, my to-do list here, and any priorities or callbacks or follow-ups I need to do, I put in here. And I have a separate planner for like my grocery list and my shopping list. And if all of you know, that is Penny, my pocket rings. So I don't put any of that stuff in here. I just have that separate because it works for me. But quick tip, if you are trying to watch your coins and you do not want to invest in buying inserts all the time from shops, you can always find these type of inserts on Etsy. All you have to do is to go into the search engine and type in the size planner that you're looking for and type in, for instance, these are Cornell notes. So you just say Cornell note printable inserts. This is how the format is, and I'll just show you on a blank page. So for all of you that are watching your coins like me, when you buy the printables, once you buy them, they are yours. You can just print as much as you want. But if you don't want to do that and you don't have a printer or you don't like to cut your own inserts, I highly recommend that you go to Cloth and Paper. So as you can see, I have pretty much Monday through Wednesday already written out. So typically what I do is I take that out and then I go to my schedule, and my schedule is where I keep my monthly inserts that also have weekly. And I do have a planner routine here that'll remind me what I need to do on a daily basis and weekly. And what I do weekly, I just check this and I plan out my week, which I have on here. Then I update my ministry schedule, in which I need to change because I don't keep a track of that in here any longer. Update any of my goals, review my goals, and update and review my budget planner. And that just tells me to go to my budget planner. So I separate my weeks with this clear dashboard, and it also has the weekly sticky note here, so I can always have it in place. So this is what it looks like plain, and like I was saying, I don't have an extra box to write upcoming events here, so that's why I always go to my Cornell notes sheet. You can put a little sticker here with the lines. If you have like the colorful boxes, sticker books, you can put that there. If you don't want to have the calendar, that way you can kind of jot down your notes right there. It's all optional to you, but we're going to go ahead and decorate this again using these super cute stickers from Stickers by Rhonda. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying down my stickers, so keep watching. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and pull my pre-cut pages out of my ring planner. And the reason why I cut the holes in my inserts is because my planner is very chunky. And when I open my rings, all of my pages pop out. And so that's the main reason why I cut lines in the holes, and also because it's convenient. I don't like to plan in my planner, and even when I'm updating my notes and things like that for the week, I like to pull my pages out. So just a little tip: if you are the type of planner that likes a chunky planner, or you don't like to plan inside the planner, make your life easier. Cut lines in the hole before you put them in. That way you don't have to worry about your pages just coming all out and you having to replace them in. So right now what I'm doing is using these super adorable stickers from the Birthday Girl sticker kit from Stickers by Rhonda. And as you can see, I got my little birthday section all sectioned up and looking cute. And on my birthday this year, I did get to celebrate with MLK. So that's always a privilege to celebrate with such an icon and such a inspiration for not just as a people of African American descent, but just for people in general. His mission was to just have everyone have equality. And hey, y'all know me, I love love, I love to spread love. So why not share my birthday with someone that did the same? So what I'm doing now is laying down these flag stickers. I like to put some type of sticker and have them coordinated for the days that I work, so I can indicate that that's my work schedule. So I was super stoked that these had enough of these little flag stickers for me to use to indicate those days. And these work scripts came from Anna Luna. I did get them during her Black Friday sale. Can't talk. Her Black Friday sale, but you can get these anytime. She has really, really great prices. So make sure you check her shop out. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take a quick look at my to-do list so I know how to start formatting my week. And another good thing about pre-planning, it eliminates you from having a whole lot of stickers in areas where you need function. So that's very important. If you are a decorative planner, but you also still need to be able to have areas where you can write, I highly suggest that you do pre-planning, because who wants to put a whole lot of decorative stickers on the day that they have, a lot of stuff to write? So that's why I always try to start off with decoration in the areas where I know that I don't have a lot of stuff for a fact. And on the days that I'm not sure, I just keep it light. And you'll see that at the latter part of the week, because typically for me, because I'm off Sunday through Tuesday, those are my days that I do things. So those are the days that I absolutely know that I have to be very cautious in regards to how many stickers I lay down. And then for the latter part of the week, Wednesday through Saturday, I tend to keep it light. Saturdays, I will add a little more deco, because typically I work and then I don't do a lot when I get off. I might have an event or function that I go to. So I just make sure I leave a little room to be able to write that or add a cute sticker to indicate that. But for the most part, I know my weeks. So I know where I can have more fun when I want to use more deco. So that's just a little tip. Before you start laying down all the stickers, make sure you pre-plan. Even if you don't pre-plan days in advance, sit down and take a little notepad or something and write down the things that you absolutely know that you need to do, so you won't overdo it. So now I'm just trying to cover up this priority section. I don't really use that too much. And I'm using this whiteout that I got from from AliExpress. And I'll leave the link. Nope, I did get it from Amazon. And I think I did get some from AliExpress, but that one I got from Amazon. But anyway, if you're interested, I'll leave the link for you. So I'm just adding this tracker. I don't know what I'm going to track this week. I try to at least track one thing. That way I can build some consistency in areas where I'm weaker at. So on this little Sunday section, I put that don't forget flag. And now all I'm going to do is add just a little more deco to this spread. And all I do is just kind of cut in half these fireworks so I can lay them on like the edges of the spread. Kind of like how I used to do in my Happy Planner layouts. I would take my flowers, cut them in half, and just kind of lay them on the edges of the spread. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up all of this deco, and I'm going to come back and give you a full wrap up of everything that I just did. So make sure you keep watching all the way to the end. All right, love, so this is my spread for the week of January the 20th through the 26th. And by the time you've seen this video, my birthday would have already passed, but I celebrate for the whole week. So please feel free to drop me a happy birthday shout out in the comments box, and I'll make sure that I respond back. But I absolutely love everything about this kit. Even like I said, I am practicing being more of a minimal planner. There will be occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, holidays that I have a more decorative look, put it that way. I love it. Absolutely love it. I can't wait to post this picture. Like, I think I'm going to even post this picture before this video posts. So if you see this picture on my IG feed, you know, just know that there is a video that is going to be following soon. So for all of you guys that are celebrating a birthday this month, happy birthday. January birthdays rule. And if it is your birthday, let me know in the comments box, because I would love to give you a shout out to tell you happy birthday. So you know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up, and click that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't already done so, because by doing that, it'll connect you with my community as well. It'll also give you notifications every time I upload a new video. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, loves. Peace.